I used to believe in life sentences. Like I used to believe that like some people needed to go away for the rest of their lives for things they've done.
Fun.
And those kids changed my life, like changed my life. And they taught me how to forgive. Like they taught me how to like forgive my dad, my real dad. And then look for him and then say, I forgive you.
Yeah.
And I give all that credit to those kids because I feel like they taught me like courage. They taught me how to stand up for the voiceless. They taught me like a different type of voiceless, not just girls that had been human trafficked voiceless, but like kids that were incarcerated and weren't being heard voiceless. And that was kind of like the beginning of really my reentry life career. And then I think after a couple years of doing programming and stuff like that, I started doing